Hello, foodies. Welcome to Foodland. Are you ready for some quick and easy dinner, which is tasty and healthy at the same time? So, let's get started with our recipe called broccoli chicken stir fry in chili garlic sauce, served with some rice. So, let's get started. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Alright, guys, let's check out the ingredients for our broccoli and chicken stir fry in garlic sauce. Alright, so I have one chicken breast. I have of course, I washed it and thinly sliced it. Alright, I have one carrot. I have peeled and thinly sliced broccoli, and then I have some scallions. I have 3 to 4 scallions, roughly chopped. Of course, it's a garlic sauce, so we need a bunch of garlic. I have 4 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, and little piece of ginger. I have one beaten egg, salt to taste, chili garlic sauce, rice vinegar. You can use any vinegar. I had rice vinegar in stock, so I'm using rice vinegar. And if you do not have rice vinegar, then simply squeeze a little bit of lemon or something citrusy. Dark soy sauce. Again, you don't need dark, but you can have any soy sauce, and then crushed black pepper. This is cornstarch, and cornstarch 1 tablespoon, and brown sugar 1 tablespoon. Some water. So let's first marinate our chicken. Alright, so let's add crushed black pepper powder. It's about half a teaspoon rather. Some salt, just for a little flavor. Egg. And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour. Alright, so we need to give this a good mix. Kind of marinating this chicken for some time. Let's keep it aside for 15 minutes. Alright, so while my chicken is marinating here, let's do our sauce. So let's get our sauce ready. You can either get chicken stock from the market or you can make it at home, but since I do not have any, I'm just using water. That's fine, because this dish is going to be very flavorful anyways, because you're using different flavors here. So I'm just using a small glass of water in the bowl, and as I've shown you earlier, I have brown sugar and cornstarch. So let's whisk that nicely. We're making cornstarch slurry. There is no typical order, but just try to add everything. So I'm adding this garlic and ginger. I'm going to save some of the garlic for when we get into the vegetable stir fry. So I'm saving this much. Let's add dark soy sauce. I'm getting a soup spoon. About 1.5 tablespoons. Rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon. And chili garlic sauce. Depends on your taste or liking. If you do not want to use chili garlic sauce, that is totally fine, because not everybody eats hot food. That I get it, but since we like hot food or spicy food, I'm adding that. We have enough of a garlic here to make this sauce. It's called as garlic sauce, so no worries there. So let's keep it aside and let's move on to the next step. So since I wanted to shoot this video, I have everything ready here. But after the sauce is ready, the chicken is getting marinated, you can simply get your vegetables in order. So let's get this together in a big bowl. And do not forget to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, just to get that beautiful toasty sesame flavor. Just gonna add a little bit more. Alright, so the sauce is ready. Alright, so I have this wok already heat up, so let's add some oil. So there are a couple of ways to get this chicken ready. I'm simply going to fry this today in 2 tablespoons of oil, but you can get a pot of hot water and boil this chicken. So instead of frying this, you can just simply boil it. So let's do that. Alright, so in 2 to 3 minutes, you see the chicken is changing its color, turning white, looks cooked. And even though it's not cooked thoroughly, we are going to saute it again. So just keep it in a dish, set aside. Just add some more oil. This is just normal vegetable oil. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons. Let's add in this garlic. Saute it. Make sure you stir the sauce well. Alright, so once the garlic turns light brown, let's add broccoli and all the vegetables. Going to keep some for garnishing. Give that a good mix. Look how colorful it already looks. Beautiful, vibrant vegetable colors. You can add bell pepper, different color bell peppers, red chilies, the dried red chilies if you want. Let's saute it for about 2 minutes so that all these vegetables get garlicky flavor. Alright, in about 2 minutes, you see the broccoli is changing its color. It's semi-cooked. Let's add our chicken. Saute this. And finally, time to add our garlic sauce. Blend them all together, and look at this dish is ready. Just stir it continuously to get all the flavors well combined with vegetables and chicken. And look at this, so beautiful. You can enjoy this as is or enjoy with steamed rice. If you want some gravy along with this, then simply add some more water and cornstarch. Make a slurry and then add it. I'm just going to add some water. Make sure you add salt as per your taste if need to be, because soy sauce has some sodium, and of course we added some salt in chicken. And here's my chicken broccoli stir fry in chili garlic sauce is ready. Dinner is done in 30 minutes. I'm serving it with rice. So I hope you like this recipe and going to give it a try at home. Let me know your feedback after you do this recipe. And of course, as always, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for 500 plus subscribers. I truly appreciate all your support. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.